Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind.
Hey, I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing this cute mint green look. If you want to achieve this look, stay tuned for the video. Okay, so the first palette I'm going to be using is my Rose Gold Nudes, and I'm going to be using it in this cute little dark brown color. Okay, so now I'm going to move over to the cut crease part. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just add a little bit on my lid and look up. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and just trace that crease. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and just pat off that excess concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and move over to my Wet n Wild Bretman Rock palette. And I'm going to be using the color Anaconduhh. Now I'm going to go ahead and add that brown onto the ends of my cut crease. Now it's time to apply my foundation. Okay, now it's time for the contour. I'm going to go ahead and start off with applying my concealer. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my cream contour palette. Okay, so now it's time for me to apply my setting powder. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner while I let that setting powder sit. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and move over towards my mascara and my eyelashes. Now I'm going to go ahead and dust off some of my setting powder. Now I'm just going to use my Juvia's palette and go over everywhere that I contour it using the color Kano. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back to my first palette and add a little bit of white on the corner of my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use my eyeliner and put that onto my lower lash line. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and do my lip combo. Okay, and here's the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be listing everything down in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!